Hey there! Welcome! This guide will demonstrate how to work with webhooks in TextPeak. You will learn how to create webhooks, trigger them by incoming messages or URL clicks, and view the request log. For integrations between TextPeak and some external systems, you may need to trigger immediate actions. Webhooks can help you deliver real-time data to other applications. To create a webhook, click Webhooks in the main menu and select Management. If it's the first time you are creating a webhook, click Add Webhook at the bottom. Next time you can use the Add Webhook button in the top right. Fill in the webhook name. Then, in Trigger, choose from the drop-down list if you want to trigger it by an incoming or delivery message, or a short URL click. If your webhook is for delivery messages, also define how you would like to receive status change notifications for each message or in bulk. Additionally, for incoming or delivery message types, you must select the streams for which you want to create the webhook. In endpoint configuration, select the GET or POST method. Then specify the URL to which you want to send the data. Optionally, configure HTTP headers and enter the key name and value. You can copy the request body right away from the preview on the right. Finally, click Create Webhook. It will be added to the table on the Webhook Management page. Here, you can search for your webhooks using several filters. You can turn off a webhook temporarily using the slider. Go to Actions if you wish to edit or delete a specific webhook, or display a request preview. To view all the webhooks requests made, switch to Request Log in the main menu. To view details about a particular request, select the needed log record in the webhooks requests log table, and click View. A sidebar with all the request and response data will open. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.